How to remove background noise from audio in Veed. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, you are ready to clean up the audio. Right-click on the video and select the audio option. Then choose Detach Audio. Click on the detached audio file, which will open the audio settings under the audio section in the left panel. Under Magic Tools, select the option Clean Audio, which will remove background noise from the audio. Veed's AI-powered audio tool automatically detects and reduces unwanted background sounds such as hums, hisses, or static, leaving your voice or main audio clear and crisp. You can preview the cleaned audio and adjust the noise reduction level to ensure the best balance between removing noise and keeping natural sound quality. This feature works perfectly for voiceover, interviews, blogs, podcasts, or any type of video where clean audio is essential. Now you know how to remove background noise from audio in Veed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.